Everyone, I am Arian Villapanya Bangulan, this ISM 4C. Today, I am going to discuss to you the parts and function of manual car vehicle. So, this is the engine. The uses of the engine is the heart of the vehicle. So, next is the battery. This is the battery. This is provides electrical power to start the engine and power the accessories. So, next is the exhaust manifold. So the uses of the exhaust manifold is collect exhaust gases from multiple cylinders into one pipe. So this is the exhaust manifold. So next is the steering wheel. So the function of the steering wheel is allowing the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. So next is the starter. The uses of the starter is used to start the car.
Yeah, go.
So next is the seat, allowing the passenger and the driver to sit. So next is the dashboard. The dashboard is the house of the panel instrument. It controls the vehicle functions of the climate control audio and navigators. So next is the gearbox. So changes the gear ratio into the engine and the wheel. This next is the clutch. So this is the clutch.
Go.
So clutch is engage and disengage the engine from the transmission. The middle is the brake pedal. Activates the braking system when pressed. Next is the accelerator. It is used to increase the flow of fuel and to the engine.
Go.
So this is the signal switch. It is allowed to switch on and off the signal light. So next is the signal light. So this is the signal light. This is used when you turn left or right.
Go.
So next is the side mirror. This is the side mirror. This is allows to diverse the areas behind the side and of the vehicle that are not visible. Next is the wiper. So the uses of the wiper is used to clean the water and the dirt during rain.
Go.
So next is the fuel tank. So this is the fuel tank. This is used to tank the fuel.
Go.
So next is the wheel. So this is the wheel. Wheel is contributing to the vehicle's movement, stability, and overall performance.
Go.
So that is all about parts and function of a manual car vehicle. Thank you. That's